know I'm Good morning, guys. There was the opening bell, and I'm really watching a few stocks today. Nvidia is definitely on watch to the downside today. That might be surprising to a lot of people considering how good Nvidia has been lately, but with the way it's rejecting under 500 and it's actually breaking under a short-term trend line here, I will be looking for this thing to move down and under 489 today at some point. So I'm definitely going to be keeping my eyes on this stock for it to test that low of day and then maybe get a little bit lower. You know, I might be wrong, but that's what I'm going to be watching for today with the trend break coming in. Now, the SPY itself's a little bit different. It's sitting right at support, starting to come back up. I'm hopeful that the SPY can still move to the upside pretty good. And, you know, if I'm wrong on Nvidia, that's fine. Tesla is rejecting at 258, 258.50. Starting to run off to the downside a little bit here this morning. It's not like bouncing up as good as SPY yet. Maybe it will start to try to get some green action coming in. But this SPY support right around like 473.60, 473.50 is actually looking pretty good here today. So don't mind that one. All right, let's bring that watch list up. Got to see where we're at here. Coinbase leading the way again at 2%. Definitely keep them on the radar. They have been extremely hot lately. Google is starting to pop off this morning. They had some good news. Let's see. Let's get an article up for that. Google. Where is the Google news? Really? CNBC doesn't have an article? Are you kidding? What is the news? Why are they doing this? Is it from yesterday, the news with the $700 million settlement? I was thinking that's what it was, but weird. I mean, that thing is really popping off though. 139.62 on Google either way. If you guys have more information about that news, definitely let me know. Maybe it was that settlement news from last night, but it is popping off here, breaking recent highs, getting back into the highs from October. If it breaks like 142, it'll be making new highs of the year, which is pretty big to say for something like Google. I mean, holy shit. But hey, am I surprised? No, these stocks have been amazing lately. There's Tesla, actually fell under support momentarily here. Let's see Nvidia still popping off. Okay, it's sitting right at the trend line right now, right at 500 bucks. So this is where we need to watch out for that rejection to come in right here at 500. We don't really want to see it get too much higher than this if we're going for this downside move. If it keeps breaking out, well, probably look at calls on a different stock then. We'll have to see though. 500 is pretty dang big. There's 92,000 shares stacked up here at 500 right now. That's quite a bit. We'll look at it on Bookmap actually today. We'll watch it here because it's going to be interesting. We'll see that market data live right as it happens. Hope you guys are all having a great morning though so far. Let's go. Evernight, Manny, David, Joe, Mason, Jane, Amber, Xbox, Patrick. Let's go. Thank you, Kitty. I just scalped Nvidia puts, made 50 meow mixes. You did. Nice. I'm glad that worked. I'm glad. And look at that. We're rejecting close to 500 now, too. Looking interesting. Looking pretty good. What's up? Tank Daddy, Jason. Appreciate ya. Where's Oscar? Xbox is here. Nice. Nice though, Jane. Glad you got some meow mixes going. Hopefully it keeps rejecting here. Like to see that happen. Oh, this is funny. First time joining y'all. What's up? Formerly broke. Uh-oh. VSCO going down today. Let's see. Victoria's Secret. VSCO. If you guys are just now joining up, I'm watching Nvidia here to the downside off of $500. It's rejecting a little bit. And we're also rejecting right on a trend line as well. I've been watching this little trend line on Nvidia over the past couple days here as it's been moving down under it. And it's starting to reject there today pretty dang good. So let's see it. Yeah, that's pretty good though. Looking pretty good. 500 rejection right on the trend. There we go, guys. There we go. Pretty damn good right there. On a technical trend setup, this is one of the better ones that you could find. It doesn't mean that Nvidia is going to go down for certain, but it's definitely setting up in a good way for it. Boeing looking pretty good here. 262 support starting to come up a little bit more. I know this stock has been wild over the past week. We got to go back to Coinbase, though. I know you guys have to be loving Coinbase, right? It's been popping off lately. It looks like it might be slowing down slightly, but let's go back to VSCO. Looks like it's trending down today slightly. Let's go out to a daily on it, because I actually like this daily trend on Victoria's Secret. It's been trending down in a hardcore way. and it's starting to get above this trend line on the daily chart. And look at all of this consolidation here right on the trend. I would think that the trend breaks here and the Victoria's Secret can start to go on a bigger run, but I don't know. It is up like 100% from lows. It's hard to say, but I would say the setup is pretty dang good with the trend breaking and everything on the daily. We've seen other stocks lately like Zoom, which was beaten down, start to break their daily trends, and you know, they start to get some pretty good price action at least up and out of there. So hopefully we can see VSCO break out. You know, ever since they've, what happened here? What happened to Victoria's Secret stock? I swear they had a larger stock than this, but, or, you know, I thought their chart went back further. Did something happen where like they got bought out or something weird? Let me know if you guys remember, but I do like the setup here overall to be bullish on it. And I'll be real with you guys, I don't really like this one for options right now. I mean, the options could be okay, but I would just rather grab shares here. That way, if it starts to fly up, you're in with some shares, you're getting some gain. If it starts to reject down, you guys can start buying into this lower and then bam, get your average price low and get in there to the upside. I do like VSCO though. Nice setup. Mara up as well. Yeah, Mara, Riot are probably going. Mara had a lot of hype the past couple days. I know a lot of people are hyping this one up. I was looking through some of their numbers, I guess you would say, with how much they're expected to produce, I guess, Bitcoins and stuff. It's looking pretty good for them. So Mara's doing pretty fire. I got some PayPal and Netflix calls. PYPL. Nice. I like PayPal. Looking good here today. Running up. I love these buy now, pay later stocks. And just even besides those, just these beaten down stocks in general that are still decent, like Square, PayPal, Zoom, etc. Looking great. Nom Nom also is getting Netflix calls. Nice. They're breaking out above 496. Look, Nvidia's having problems getting back above 500, right? Having some problems, but it looks like Netflix is actually about to hit it too. So I find that interesting. But going back to Nvidia, it's actually back up again. Kind of sucks there. Looks like it's going to break. Man. Man, Nvidia, what are you going to do for us here? This is a wild move here. Watch this resistance, though. If it breaks on Bookmap at 500, we're going to be looking pretty good. Wow, that's pretty cool. Let me grab a drink real quick here. Let's see what goes on here, guys. It's so close. I feel like I'm watching paint dry, but it's I'm just like watching it with so much like intent here at the 500 mark. Such a big level, guys. So big. It looks pretty bullish actually, with the way it ran back up like this, but we'll have to see. We will have to see. At least it was a good like scalp off the 500 level for a rejection, but wow, it's so close. Look at that on Bookmap. I need to quit zooming in and out on here. It lags. There we go. Come on, 500. Tesla ready to move to 260. Apple to 200. Tesla to 260. Let's see. A 260 is going to be tough for Tesla, guys. That is a lot of money overhead there on Tesla. Boy, that's a lot. Damn. Uh-oh. How's Nvidia doing here? Starting to reject a little bit again? We'll have to see how this plays out. Meta is doing great again, though, guys. Wow. 351.20 coming all the way back and then some. Beautiful. Now, they asked about Apple. Jason did, and AMD. Apple looks great here. I would think it could retest somewhere around like 198, 198.25. I could see a retest of that today. If not even a little higher. I mean, that is a good move this morning. Now, AMD is a lot different. Wow, this one looks pretty rough, actually. Yeah, not the best movement in the world. Look at that support, 138.50. Not the best thing to see there. My connection ain't doing well. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Oh, man, Evernight. Sorry about that. See you tomorrow, man. If you want to tomorrow, you know, towards the end of the stream or something, man, we can talk about some computer parts or something on here too. Tesla ready to move to 260. I mean, that would be nice, right? That would be nice as a breakout, but we'll have to see. We will have to see. All right, Nvidia, you're sitting right there. I can't say why, guys, but it almost looks like bullish right here. Seriously, it looks bullish. I want it to be bearish, but I'm going to need to see some more confirmation now, because the way that this thing's holding, like with the wick right here above the trend now again and stuff, it's getting freaky. Getting freaky. But hopefully it rejects. I think there'll be a lot better opportunity for rejection here if that starts to come in. Oh man, Jane lost their monthly gains on a firm. AFRM. You lost all your monthly gains on one play? I was green and it wouldn't sell on time. Oh man, that sucks. Yeah, it's starting to reject down a little bit here. It's coming back to that $50 mark. It almost broke out this morning, but that thing is rejecting hard there. There's Nvidia rejecting a little bit more. There we go. There we go. All right, Nvidia, another rejection at 500. That's looking pretty whack now, to say the least. Let's see this little trend line intraday here. Got a feeling this thing could... Come on now, Nvidia. Let's see what you got. I was scalping. Yeah. I figured you were trying to get calls on that one, and then yeah. Damn, Affirm. Got into puts on Neo. What? Don't be short Neo. I like that one. No, I'm just kidding, guys. I'm just joking. It might be a good short for today. It looks like they're supported 850. Maybe it'll hold there. Maybe it won't, but they just keep in mind, I know it's just a play on today, but they do have Neo Day this weekend. So just keep that in mind, guys. December 23rd. That's going to be fun. Neo Day coming up. Like I said, there's no significance for that with day trading today, but it's interesting though. Carlos said, I tried scalping and I hated it. Yeah, you know, scalping is for some people, it's not for others. I'll say this, I like to be really frugal with my scalps, as in like, I really like to be very patient on them. I like to wait, and I try to really just catch like a, you know, decent break like of a trend, or I wait for like a support to bounce and I try to get in like right on the bounce, something like that. Really patient with those. Any live trades today, Tom? Probably not today, especially with Neo Day coming up and with everything starting to reject back down, unless Tesla does present a good opportunity, or I meant Nvidia does start looking pretty fire here under the trend. But I'm gonna wait for that setup to definitely progress a little bit before I run in here. It's looking pretty damn good now, I'll be honest. I think it's looking pretty good down, but it's not like to the extent that I'd want to scalp it yet. I'd probably try to want to catch a move from like here to like there. You know, or from like here to here. Somewhere like between there, I think would be like a better place to try and catch that one down. But I think, you know, if you got in close to 500, that's awesome. You know, that's a good scalping opportunity. Just, you know, Boeing here, maybe moving off to the downside, 261.50. Like I said, I'm very patient. I'm hoping Sniper Bot throws something here today. Sniper or hybrid. What's the name of this track? I love it. Here, I'll send you the link. This one's called Svardstall Salvation. It's at the 30-minute mark on this link I'm going to send in the chat. Need VSCO to dump. What? Oh, you're looking for Victoria's Secret to dump. Okay. It's right at a trend line. It actually almost looks like it's going to be pretty bullish here to me, but I think it looks like a nice bullish play. I'd be careful wanting it to dump here. Yeah, let's look at Apple. I looked at it a little bit ago, but it was moving up pretty good. It was breaking out. Yeah, it's still doing pretty good. It's not moving with like as much velocity as I would like. It's only up like 50 cents on this little break going on, but it's not bad by any means. Definitely not bad. It's good movement. It just, you know, it's running up into resistance at this point. I feel like it's not really gonna move too much more, I would say, because we're getting so close to resistance. How's Tesla today? Nice. Tesla's looking pretty good, guys. Look at that. Tesla literally just broke its recent high. Let's go. That is awesome, guys. Tesla. Yes, that is sick. Will they push 260 now? That would be awesome. That's awesome, Tesla. Breaking highs of the week. Yeah, 260 is going to be a huge resistance to watch on Tesla. As it gets close, I'm going to make an alert up here just so I can go over and watch it on the book map because it's going to be extremely fun to see what that one looks like at the moment that it gets there. All right, NVIDIA. Yeah, it's trying to come back up here. It's like stuck at 500. I feel like it wants to break, but especially with like Apple and a lot of these other stocks starting to run up the way that they are, I think it really would like to break out. But I'd really prefer it down though. Come on. Start to fall under here. I want to see it really get under like 497 in a good way. Maybe it'll do a head and shoulders right here. That'd be pretty funny. That would be a good one. You know, got like the head up here, be like bam, 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 bam. It wouldn't be bad, I'll tell you. It would be actually right on the trend line. It would almost work out perfectly there. Big Cat, what's up, Sean? Big Cat, yeah, Caterpillar looking pretty good. 294. S-Bucks, are they doing good? Oh, Sean, I was hoping to see him coming back because they've been so rough on the daily, but yeah, they're starting to fall off a little bit more. I've been having my girlfriend buy some Starbucks, and hopefully she keeps buying on the dip. Wonder how low Starbucks can get, though. She might be buying the dip for a while on this one. Maybe. Cat all-time high. Wait, what? Oh, shit. I didn't even realize that, Sean. Wow. Yeah, on the daily, yeah. Really, really close or just barely breaking out. Love to see that. That's cool. That is cool. NVIDIA is at 500, guys. It just tested it. Look at that. Come on, where is it? There it is on the far left side of your screen. You can see that little dot hit. It did test it, but failed to break. Failed to break again. It's having a lot of stiff resistance here at 500. Wow. What the? Hang on. Okay. So I thought. There it is, right on the trend, guys. Right on the trend. Let's see here. This is like where we either make or break for this play, I think. Oh, look at that rejection. I like it. I like it, guys. Man, NVIDIA's options suck right now. The weeklies aren't bad, though. There we go, guys. That's what we want to see. That's what we want to see right there. Right there, baby. That's it. A move under 497 here would be nice. Bam, this is looking hot now, guys. This is where you'd want to enter for a scalp, I'd say. Stupid, stupid, stupid. Scalp this baby down. Hopefully we see a bunch of stocks all reject at once. That'd be nice. Here we go, NVIDIA. Keep it up. Get under this wick. That's what this is going to provide us a little bit of issues here, I think, but should be good here. Right at the bottom of this wick is going to be a little area of support probably, but be okay. It's pretty clear on Bookmap down to 495, but there are a little bit of buyers under here. A little bit. Sitting at 5% now. And we're out. There we go. We'll take our 5% down to that little support. Bam. There we go. I like that. Quick little scalp in and out. Not bad at all. Wow. Not bad. Quick couple $100 there. Oh, it actually only ended up being 100 on the fill. Damn. I guess because of the way it shot up at the end, it ended up filling at like 3.9% instead of 5, but not bad. I still think it can go lower, guys. Don't worry. You know, if you're holding this, you know, don't think that this little green candle is going to be like the breaking point here. It might be, but I still feel like this will go lower here today off 500, but we'll see. We'll have to see. I did calls on NVIDIA. Hey, nice, Christian. I've been trying to short it off 500, and, you know, it's been doing pretty well. I caught a little scalp here. Nothing too crazy, though. Especially now that it's coming back. I'm glad I got out quick down there at the bottom, but I still think it could end up going down, but we'll see. We'll see. 500's a tough level to break today. There's a, oh my god, 100,000 shares sitting here on the Bookmap. What's 100,000 times 500? Let's see. 100,000. It's 50 million. Okay. I knew it was something like that. 50 million right there. Stacked up, so I know that's not like the most, but probably be a pretty big level. All right, SoFi swirling down the shitter. Let's see, SOFI. Rejecting at 10. Yeah, well, I guess it ran above 10 and fell back, but pretty tough level there. Wow, yeah, 215 to 220 is a stiff resistance on SoFi. Pretty big there. Yeah, no wonder it's moving down. It just had a huge break the past couple days. It's running into this resistance. Look at these wicks, guys, on the daily chart. I mean, like, these are big areas of resistance. Like, we should have kind of seen this coming, right? Should have kind of seen this coming. Same thing with, like, DraftKings. You know, like it's done great this year, right? But guess what? It's running up into resistance where there's been a ton of wicks. At least a few. Hang on. Like this whole range up here is just resistance city, you know? I guess whenever they're just up this much, it just, you know, when they'll start to hit those resistances, and obviously people start selling out because of people who are buying it up here on the gain on this run. Of course, they're going to be taking those profits. A little bit at least. Yeah, we should have had that plotted. Look at the SPY. Good movement. Wow, yeah, it is. Really, really good. Got to go back to our NVIDIA here. Still, you know, still not looking the best. Still not looking the best here. Gonna be retesting this recent low. Damn, I could have got out at 5% after all. It's all right, we'll take our 3.9. I know that might sound silly, guys, but, you know, for quick scalping, you know, don't be afraid to take them a little quicker, especially if you go in a little deeper. Like, realistically, like, on a nice 1 minute chart, if you catch, like, 3 good red candles in a row, like, you know, it's not like you're gonna get usually, like, that many more. Like, let's go to NVIDIA yesterday, some of the downtrends. I mean, these are all 1 minute candles here. I mean, it's rare that there were, like, more than 3 in a row. All right, NVIDIA, here we go. Here we go. Get down there. Break this support. Well, actually, I feel bad saying that because I know Christian has calls, but you guys know what I've been watching all morning, so. Yeah, it's coming in, Robert. Yes, sir. Yeah, it seems like it's holding this level pretty tight, pretty tight. Now, we got to actually shift here a little bit because the setup is starting to change slightly, guys. Starting to change slightly. There's a little bit of like a bullish flag maybe going on here with our friends at NVIDIA. Just be careful if you guys are shorting this still. It is starting to change a little bit. It is starting to change over a little bit here. This is a pretty bullish type of setup usually. Yeah, to the moon, Mike. Christian says it's going to test 500 before it gets rejected. I'll be honest, it's not looking bad. I feel like this trend line breaking intraday is a good sign for bulls. Really good. I'm definitely glad I exited on that support on that wick. I knew that wick would give us some issues. Knew that fucker would. Nice, though. Tesla's sitting at 260, guys. Let's go eye it up on Bookmap. That's going to be the new thing that we sit on for a second because we've been sitting here waiting for this. All right, Tesla. Let's go. Uh-oh. Switch to NVIDIA real quick. All right. Still just sitting around there. Wow, Tesla. Looking crazy right now, Tesla. Do I have a book map for VSCO? I could get one, but hang on. Let's watch Tesla here at 260 first. Then I'll switch over. VSCO's book map isn't going to be too wild. It's kind of a slower one, but here, I'll get it going in the background. There we go. I'm glad that they let us do that, actually. That's cool. I'll let you know when it's done. It takes a minute to load it up. Nice, though, Tesla. That's nice. Still rejecting, though. All right, here's VSCO's book map. A little bit wild. Yeah, this one's really slow on here. Weird. This one's... Some of the stocks on Bookmap are just so weird. It's like if they don't have a ton of volume, it just gets really, like, different on there. Meta's having big green candles. Let's see. META. Meta. Nice. I mean, yeah. Still continuing. Is it breaking highs of the year? It is. It's doing it again, guys. 354.58 right now. God damn, Meta. That is one of the craziest recoveries that I've seen. Now, I know Nvidia has a crazy one too, but holy shit. I mean, both of these stocks, it just is like, holy crap. It honestly has me mind blown, you know? Sometimes. Especially Nvidia. Meta is just Meta, but... Jesus. Hang on 1 second, guys. Hang on 1 sec, gotta help someone out. All right, sorry about that. And NVDA 496. Yeah. Still having trouble down here, but it's still trying to break that little trend line that I was drawing. Seems like it's moving pretty well here, but a lot of consolidation. I know you guys saw the sniper bot play on CVS probably. If not, go check it out in the market analysis tab. CVS is starting to look pretty damn hot. Popping off pretty well. Come on, CVS. Okay. I don't see that as being anything, but... Come on, QQQ. How's Meta? Meta's starting to turn back over now. I'll say that, though. It had a great day, guys. I mean, we're talking fantastic green day out of Meta here. But it is starting to fade back off at resistance. I'm not too surprised. The huge resistance came in there. How's Tesla? Yeah, they never got to break 260, guys. Never got to break 260. They're still close, but didn't break it yet. Looks like they might be trying, though. Some more green coming in. Ooh, maybe not. Is this where Nvidia fades down, guys? I'm going to be watching this support so closely right here. If you guys have been buying up puts here today, or you've been thinking about it, I would think once this support gives at 496.50 and it falls under like 496.40, I think we'll see a great opportunity. So if that's the case, have the buy order ready for the puts. You know, just have it ready. Have it there ready to snipe. Or else you're not going to be able to catch it correctly. Because you want to catch it, like, literally, like, right here on the break. And then you're going to want to get out, like, quick. You know, pretty quick. If it breaks, though. You know, it's still holding support for now and moving above the trend. But I'm saying just have it ready just in case. Definitely a big zone down here, though. A lot of chop. Like I said, though, earlier, it's still looking kind of bullish with this support. Just, you know, it's really choppy here. I would be ready for puts, but I think that as far as, like, price action, it's kind of setting up like a bull flag to the upside in a little bit of a way. Or a bullish pennant, whatever you want to call it. Thoughts on an Apple flag, maybe on a 3-minute? Let's see. It'll still show on a 1-minute, but... Guess I'll try it on a 3. Yeah, it looks... I don't know. That doesn't necessarily look like flag to me, but it's definitely an interesting setup here. Kind of seems like it's gonna fall down if I was gonna have to pick. All right, there's Nvidia. There it is, guys. There it is. There it is. That's the bull flag I was waiting for. That's it. Like I said, I'd prefer a move down, but hey, I can only be honest with what I see, right? It's looking pretty damn bullish right there. Come on, Nvidia. Let's see what you do. So it retested 500 at least. Are we gonna get the break, though? There's still the whole stack sitting there, so. Damn. Yeah, that's pretty big. 100K order at 500. I know, right? Yeah, we've been watching that 100K order all morning, Christian. That's what I've been looking at all morning. That's why I was looking at it pretty bearish at first as a rejection off 500. But, man, the setup started switching to a bullish setup once it started holding this support. Nice. I actually caught a little scalp to the downside here on it earlier. A very quick one, I might add. I got kind of lucky I got out so quick, actually. Not lucky, I guess. That's... I just played it well, but... What are the magnets above 500? Fucking electromagnets, it sounds like. Feels like. I feel like it's got to get us through here, like, with all these tests here. I don't know. I would say it's got to get through here. Come on, NVIDIA. Here's the big problem is that everybody that thinks that this was a great move, like this move down off 500 was also a great move. It just, you know, it just depends on how you play it, right? Just depends on which side you're on, which type of opportunities you're looking at. Google doing well today, Nom Nom said. Yeah, really well. I thought they had some better news or something going on after I saw what their movement was like this morning. And I didn't even see any like crazy news except for that they did a settlement. Maybe the settlement news is kind of what helped them. But yeah, you're right though. They are doing fantastic. Look at the daily on Google here. Damn, is that all-time high? Oh, no. Maybe highs of the year, though. Damn. These stocks are getting nuts. How's DraftKings? Doing nothing. What about Disney? All right, at least they're trying to come back. Penn, also looking okay. Looking okay. Not the best, not the worst. What about GLD today? Gold and silver. If Tesla breaks 260 this week, would you recommend to swing calls till early next year? I would say that's not a bad idea, honestly, if it does break. This is a great breakout going on with Tesla, and on the daily, it's breaking a key trend line. It's breaking short-term trend lines. This thing is getting pretty nuts, and we have the truck news coming out. And I honestly feel like Tesla's been a little bit under the radar lately. What do you guys think? I think Tesla's been under the radar. Because they've just been stuck or something for so long, they've just like lost a little bit of their hype or something. But man, they are... I love the way they're looking here. I think as far as a bullish setup on the daily chart, Tesla looks like it could really keep going. I don't usually say that either, but like you zoom out, it's been stuck for a long time. I mean, a long time here. There's a median price point like right around where we are and a higher edge on the price right around 300. I would think 300 could be tested soon. Fairly soon. You know, I'm not saying like this year, but as I zoom out, I definitely like this setup on the daily chart of Tesla. Now, a lot of people might say, well, Tom, these trends don't mean Tesla's going to go up or nothing. But, I mean, like, let's be real. These trend breaks, something goes on where, like, these things start breaking and people run into the stock. Whether it's because of the trends breaking, whether it's because of the truck news, you know, whatever it is, it's setting up well. Getting that nice bullish action going on. Yeah, I'm a big fan of it. I've been really skeptical because I've been like really careful that it doesn't bounce off this wedge and start like, you know, flying back towards the bottom side of that. So I've been really skeptical lately, but yeah, I'd say if 260 breaks, that's going to be like our confirmation, I guess we would say. Just also realize, though, that it doesn't mean that the stock's going to go straight up. You know, there's going to be a lot of volatility mixed in. Just don't get freaked out, you know, at a couple red days here and there. Damn, that's a big level. Go back to NVIDIA at 500. All right, NVIDIA, we got to see it on the 1 minute again. Consolidating. Consolidating pretty hard. Just grab some cost calls on the dip. Caution 670 weeklies. Costco on the dip. Nice. Costco is doing great this week. Man, this thing on the daily like really had me blown away whenever I was looking at it. I was like, holy shit. Really had me blown away. Sniper bot play, CVS 78 strike calls. Come on, CVS. I like this 7780-ish support. Hopefully it can hold here. I guess you would say it's 7775 technically, but ooh, guys, Tesla is actually setting up like a head and shoulders pattern here. Watch yourselves. If it starts to break this like 259.50 area, 260 should be coming in. Watch these resistances, but 260 is getting close. It's kind of setting up like how NVIDIA was setting up at first. Except here, there's no like key trend that they broke or anything. There's like no good trend setting up. All right, NVIDIA, you gonna actually push through 500 now? I bet you guys that Tesla breaks its resistance the same time NVIDIA breaks its. What do you guys say? What do you guys think? Let's do a poll. Let's do a poll here on NVIDIA. I want to see what you guys are thinking today. We're only doing 2 possible answers on this one because we're just either going to say it gets above 500 or it doesn't. That's just going to be the simple yes or no type of poll here today. Oh, wow. Rejected back down again. Damn. Damn. Don't forget about the trend going on. We'll have to see. It's having a lot of issues at this level. And it's right on the trend as well. So, it's an interesting one here. Very interesting setup on Nvidia. Looks like the market may be topping out. Let's see the SPY. Let's go into some other parts of the market here. How's Coinbase? Nice. They kept going, but they are also looking like they're topping out. SPY topping out. How's Apple? Apple looks like it has a stiff resistance. Tesla, we all know about that one. Microsoft. Watch yourselves, guys. This might be where the puts come into play. Let's see. I'm not overly sure yet. Still kind of skeptical, but... Come on, Coinbase. That was a fun one this week. Look at the watch list. Blink is up 8%. What the... Blink, what are you doing today? See the daily on this one. Nice. Blink is coming back out of the grave. Square's up again, another 2%. Holy shit. Does Square ever stop? Chewy probably stopped. No. Even Chewy. Still looking great.
Even the expectation of noise is sufficient to build up considerable tension.
All right, Tesla's starting to reject pretty hard. Coming back a little bit. What about Nvidia? Same story, starting to come back. Well, it looks like Nvidia only did good for one green candle there. Only 60 seconds they lasted. You know what they say about lasting 60 seconds? I made a funny there, didn't I? Oh, I don't have my buttons open. That's not fair. There we go. Yeah, Chewy is looking nice, Sean. It was having a good break right there. Yeah. A good intraday break above the high of yesterday. Very nice. Great move by Chewy. All right, come on, Boeing. Nvidia, you gonna sit here? Or are you gonna start moving, damn it? Get through. All right, Tessie, guys, looks like it's about to break its support. Starting to test 258 soon. Watch yourselves. Watch yourselves on Tesla. Uh-oh. Come on, Tesla. Hold support for us. Tesla looking for a bull flag on the 3-minute. It could be. It could be. I mean, whether it's on the 3 minute or the 1 minute, it'll still look like a bull flag. But yeah, it could be. Like, let's see how this sets up like this. If it gets another confirmation off of here or something, that would be perfect. That'd be perfect. It definitely is doing good at support so far. So the setup's like halfway there. It's like halfway there. Good eye on that one. Kind of setting up like the NVIDIA one from earlier. Very similar to this one on Tesla. It'd be even better if we saw like one more test of that trend though. One more test and rejection would like give it perfect. It would give it great confirmation there. Netflix book map, please. Sure. Let's tie it up. At this speed, coin will be 200 by Christmas. I sure hope not. It might be. Amazon's going up nice and slow, Carlos said. Nice. All right, Netflix. Oh, yeah, we got to watch 500 on Netflix. That's a big level there. Everything's right at a big level right now. Why is everything at, like, major resistance? Netflix is at 500. NVIDIA is at 500. Apple, what are you at? 200. Microsoft, what do you buy? Okay, they're not really by much. What about AMD? Not too bad. Tesla is even big at 260. I know 260. Like, if we go out to a daily chart, 260 is pretty damn big. A lot of good hits here. 260 in the pass. Amber's PayPal's popping off. She's partying. Nice. PayPal. Yeah, looking fantastic. Breaking 63.50. Bam. How's Chewy again? Had a good move. But starting to slow up a little bit. Maybe as it hits 24. Come on, CVS. What do you think of AFRM? You know, I like Affirm. I think it can still go up right here. It's been pretty bullish, but I mean, I would not be surprised if it continued. It's a pretty crazy stock. It is right around resistance at like 51.50, but I like the stock overall. It is up a little bit in the short term, but these stocks have really kept going. So it's kind of hard to do, but like you just have to like believe in these stocks continuing the trend. I know it sounds silly to say that, but it's true though. Like some of these stocks, they just keep going and going and going and going and going. And they just had another good partnership. So you just have to believe in them continuing. So once they break this high at like 51.50 and they start running above resistance, you can confidently kind of get in because they've been just going up so much lately that, you know, you can be like, hey, resistance is breaking. We're above 50. Time to hit on calls. You know, and don't hold it too long, but, you know, get into a little scalp on it or something above that resistance. Looks probably like a pretty good idea, given that every other time it's broken resistance lately, it's started to kind of pop off a little bit. Yeah, sure thing, Mason.
All right.
Tesla did break support. You're right. Yeah, so that, see, it wasn't as good of a bull flag as earlier with NVIDIA, that's for sure. How's NVIDIA? Okay, just still sitting here. But Tesla did start to break under their support, so that's not good. That's not a good sign. If Nvidia starts doing this, I think we could see a much more significant rejection under 496.50. And I think that'll be where we can get into those puts today and see a really good move out of them. See a nice one. What are we looking like? Puts. Be cool to see this breaking under the low here. A lot of rejection. We're looking at that trend line too. How's SPY? Yeah. Play with some house money here today. I just don't see the 500 breaking today. I don't see it. It could. But Neo having a down day. NIO. Yeah, pretty good down day. Which sucks. I hate to see him go down. I need him up. Damn, man. Yeah, that sucks. But you know what? I mean, the big money got in a while ago, and I'm still green on Neo. So, honestly, I'm not even worried, man. Not even worried. If you're a short-term player on Neo, I'd be pretty worried. But, I mean, I'm going to hold these calls till, like, March or May or June anyways. So, we're not, I can't even be worried about today, which sucks. I guess, though, if I'm, like, thinking about you guys, yeah, if you're trying to trade puts or something, not looking too bad. All right, Nvidia, what are we doing? How are we looking? That lower support at 496.50 just continues to sit there. Tesla rejected hard at 260. No shit. Hell yeah, it did. Where's those bulls at now? They all fucking went quiet. They all went quiet now. I'm just playing with you guys. It's true though, you know, anytime that the stocks go up for them, they're it's like that both ways. You know, I'm just, in general, it's funny how, you know, the market works in that way. But let's see with Nvidia though. It's still right on support. It's not necessarily broken down or anything yet. So, still got to be careful with it. Who wants to trade my Lucid shares? With Tesla shares. All right, I'll trade them. I'll trade them. It's actually not a bad idea to be a perma bull Xbox, but for day trading, it can get kind of whack on you, but it's not a bad idea, really. Perma bulls is much better than being perma bears. All day. There we go. Now Nvidia's coming up for him. See, I just had to re-enter, that's all. Nvidia forming a bigger bull flag. Let's see, a bigger one. I don't know. I don't know about that. Maybe. Now we have stiff resistance. I see what you're saying. I see what you're saying, actually. I see. It's not looking too bad, is it? Curious. This is hard to trust the trend line on this one, guys. This is tough, but I'm trusting the trend line on the hourly here more than anything on this Nvidia play. Gotta trust the trend on this one. Dear Coinbase, I love you. Dear Coinbase, I love you. I love that. That's funny, Mike. Good trade. Good trade. Netflix almost to 500. Oh, shit. You're right. It is. You got me freaking out about Nvidia to 500 now. Netflix to 500. It is right there, isn't it? Let's look at it on the book map. Netflix, 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 Netflix. There it is. Ooh, just gave out 500. Just got wiped out on Netflix. That's pretty big, guys. Wow, it just wiped it. Damn, guys. That might give people some good ideas. There might be a lot of bulls starting to become bullish here. I'm not sure. Watch out for those bulls to get excited again, guys. Wow, Boeing starting to move up. Everything's starting to get back up, guys. Be a little bit wary on the day. Very confusing day. Microsoft starting to reject a little bit at the high. It seems like still like a kind of like a bullish setup, but it just is like, it just isn't getting anywhere. Let's see how this plays out here. Little trend line going on. Little action on Microsoft here. What kind of flag you guys gonna call this one? What is this called? Bullish pennant, bullish flag, bearish pennant, bearish wedge. Whatever it is, I'll wait for the break of either the resistance or the trend. Come on, guys, vote it up. 29 total votes. Let's try to get to like 40 or something, 50 votes in this poll on Nvidia. The majority are saying reject at 500. I'm surprised. So far, that's been the case, but I don't know. You guys are worrying me talking about the bigger bull flag setting up. It actually looks like a fairly decent bull flag. I'm not going to lie. You know, I got to be honest here. If you guys are playing Nvidia today, watch yourselves on the risk, okay? The overall risk on this play could be pretty risky. So I just want you guys to, you know, be aware of that. You know, don't overdo it on something like this, because if it breaks really fast or something, you know, you got to be real careful here. I'm trusting that trend line to hold up, but we'll see what the trend does for me today. I don't have the best conviction about the trend line on this one. There's what it looks like on the hourly chart. Let's actually do it on a 5-minute because it looks great on the 5-minute. Not great, but, you know, lines up well. There it is. We're really just keeping this rejection up here where the red arrow's pointing. That's all I'm looking for, is for this to hold up as the rejection point. And if it does, those puts will be looking pretty fire, because I think we could see a significant move over the next couple days down to a pretty big level, but maybe like 485 would be nice. But 490 today would be even better, but gotta trust the trend on this one, though. It's tough. It's a tough one. Because it does kind of look like a bull flag, too, at the same time, and that market just doesn't slow down. SPY's kind of double topping, though. Are we getting a nice macro market type of move here, maybe? Hopefully. Microsoft falling under its little trend here intraday. Interesting with them. Let's check out Apple. Anyone in here get anyone anything good for Christmas? Shh, they might be watching. I'll be real with you, Mason. With the baby and everything going on this year, I actually haven't gotten, like, anybody anything. And it actually has me feeling kind of bad. I only got one person something, and that's my nephew. My sister's son. I bought him Call of Duty, like, the day it came out. That's the only thing I've gotten this year. Yeah, I mean, it kind of is, Mason. It's kind of not. I mean, I don't know. It's just been so busy, and, you know, we've bought so much baby crap. It's like, you know, at this point, we're like, between, like, you know, me keeping up with, like, my investment strategies and stuff, it's like, I'm still keeping, like, you know, it's like between the baby stuff and then trying to still save for the future and the cars and everything, it's like, man, it got a little tough there for a month, but I think we'll be, you know, everything's all good as far as that goes. It's just, I'm kind of like that guy from Financial Audit. Have you guys seen that show? I really like that show. It's one of my favorites. One of my favorites ever. Because, like, I'll save a certain amount, like, no matter what. Like, it's getting saved. You know what I mean? Like, I would rather die almost than not save however much a month. You know, I'll just let you guys guess the amount, but I would just rather die than just not save that. So I think everyone should act like that. It'll really pay off for you in the long term, especially if you're putting that into pretty decent stocks and stuff. Boy, you'll love it. $500. No, Mason. I'm talking about for the whole month, man. For the whole month. I got 2 gifts for the kids. Nice, SM. What'd you get? Mike got their kids a guitar and a drum set. There you go, Mason. You're getting closer. Yeah, that's about it. Some of that goes into, like, you know, long-term IRAs. The rest goes into nice stocks for the long term and picking up shares, selling options, getting more positions as time goes. Mike, see, I bought my kids a guitar and a drum set. Beautiful, Mike. Beautiful. Give me some nice ideas, guys. I need some good ideas for some kid stuff to buy. Nice, SM. Gaming MSI laptop for my son. Nice. That'll be fun. He'll love that. How old's your son, SM? And how old are your kids? Let me know if you want to. Apple EarPods. Nice. Oh, nice. Okay. Oh, I see what you did. Okay, nice, nice. That's actually a really nice setup there. Nice charting. I really like that chart. Nice one. Nice chart. That doesn't mean that that's going to fly up, but it's a good chart. Those types of patterns don't always play out, but yeah, I mean, yeah, nice setup. Yeah, I like that a lot. That's a nice setup on Apple that you posted up there. Nice, SM. Anthony's 14 and Marina's 12. Nice. That's cool. Yeah, get them on that laptop. I hope they'll like it. My aunt bought me like a really... It was like a laptop from... It was good, but, you know, like, keep in mind, like, she bought it for me in, like, 2007 or 8 or something like this. It was, like, a nice Dell laptop, and I loved that thing. I'll be honest, I don't think that I would be here talking to you guys today if my aunt had not bought me that Dell laptop in 2007. I'm not kidding. So... whenever you guys are thinking about stuff to get your kids, I'm not kidding. Laptops and like stuff like that. I know that they might just seem like they're playing games on them all the time and stuff, but I promise you, they're doing more than that. They're learning about a lot, and you know, yeah, shout out to my aunt, Mason, for real. For real. That I could at the time I was just playing like Counter-Strike Source and, you know, stuff like that. But I was like learning about the computer throughout that time too. Like, you know, sometimes you'd have to change shit in the files for the games, and then you have to go into the files and learn how all those work, and maybe try to rewrite a couple lines of code or something. You know what I mean? Like, that stuff's big for kids. I would even say, like, guys, get your kids on coding, you know? But I'm just saying, that's an awesome gift, SM. I would love that. If I was 14 and I got an MSI gaming laptop, I would explode. The earpods are cool too. That's nice. But yeah, give me some ideas, guys. I need some good ideas for like kids in my family, you know? Like, I go on Amazon and I'm just like, what the hell do I buy them? I always think of the wrong stuff. Nice, that's good. I'm glad he's doing that. There's Sean. Golf clubs, Tom. Oh, crap, Sean. Oh my gosh, you just gave me a great idea, man. Sean, I'm gonna post up a picture in the Discord later today, and you are gonna laugh your ass off. Hang on a second. Oh man, what's NVIDIA doing here? NVIDIA, what are you doing? Look at this little trend going on with NVIDIA here. It's like little teal intraday trend line is like holding up. A lot of chop here, guys. Like, I mean, an insane amount of chop. Apple is also chopping in the zone. I'm getting really worried, guys, that this thing's about to pop off. If it pops off, you know, be ready to maybe trade some calls above 500 or something as a quick one. The second 500 breaks, I am out of this bitch. So just keep that in mind. Excuse my French there, but NVIDIA has been pretty whack here. I would rather just pick a direction, you know? What's the next support on Netflix? Let's see. NFLX. Some guys were looking at Dwack. Wow, Netflix came down quick, guys, didn't it? It broke 500 and said, see you later. Hopefully Nvidia does that. Or actually, hopefully it doesn't even get above 500. But no, I didn't say that. But next support for Netflix, there's definitely a big area here intraday, right around this like 497 area. You gotta watch 497. That's big. If that breaks, I think there could be even more bearishness down to around 495. And then under 495, I see 492.30. So quite a bit. Quite a bit. All right, guys, sorry about that. Come on, Palantir. How's Nvidia looking today? Coming back. Coming back up. I feel like it wants to break 500 today. I mean, like, how do you guys feel? I feel like it wants to. You know, in the poll, the majority of you guys put reject at 500. It has rejected so far. I don't know. Just the way it's moving today feels like it just wants to... It wants to get me today. I feel like. Gotta trust the trend here, though. Oh, yeah. Look at that. 500 might be coming back in. All right, guys. Is this where it happens? They're saying this morning is the opposite of yesterday. Yes, it is. Whoa, guys, watch out. Watch out here. It's getting close again. It is getting close. Really close. It's actually sitting right on the trend as I speak. Right on. Oh shit. It's 10 o'clock, guys. I gotta run out here today. I got some stuff to do with the baby here real quick. But I do got to run here. Keep in mind, watch these overhead resistances on NVIDIA. Watch 499. Watch 500. These are huge levels here. This is actually right on the trend line where it's starting to reject right now. So keep your eyes on that. Maybe that'll hold up. Probably not. I mean, it's hard to say here. How is Apple looking? I bet you it's starting to break. Oh, it's getting so close to the end. I feel like this thing's about to explode. Same thing with NVIDIA. So just keep that on the radar for here, guys, because it's getting pretty whack out here today. But I will talk to you guys later. It looks like 500 might break, so maybe set an alert. You know, I'm definitely putting an alert here. 500.03. Bam. Alert set. Be ready today, though. There's going to be some good opportunities, even with the chop. It's going to be looking pretty good. So have a fantastic day, guys. I will talk to you tomorrow morning. Make sure you check out tonight's video and also tonight's live Q&A. Go check out event information in the Discord channel. Here's a link. Oh, shit. I actually can't put a link. I'm going to post a link in SM chat right now. If you guys want to go submit some questions for tonight, you have to be in the trading floor to be able to join the live Q&A. So if you guys are not part of the Stocked Up trading floor yet, consider joining now. We are actually going to be raising prices sometime soon, probably. So use code 2023, get locked in at the current rates if you guys want to. Other than that, have a fantastic rest of your day, guys. NVIDIA's rejecting right there a little bit. Just keep it on watch here. I will talk to you guys later and have a fantastic rest of your day. See you guys.